Oh, dudes. Alright, so I'm Colwen. I'm back with part 5 now. 5 now. It's 581 pieces. I'm not surprised. Of Lego, the Batman Batcave, the Riddler face-off. Recap. No more stickers. All the stickers have been used up. Awesome. Don't need to worry about that anymore. Trash can's over there. Bag number 5. The model itself. The bag number 1 was the Bruce Wayne Drifter with his Harley Davidson looking style motorcycle and the Bat computer. The Bat computer is separate, and we've got the Bat suit with the Batman Bruce Wayne head. And actually, it's the Bat suit uses the Drifter head because of I'll talk about that later. The second bag was the structure here, and then it was the third bag was a bunch of add-on stuff and these two dudes, and the last bag was this little control computer thing over here in the corner. So let's get going. Let me real quick, actually, last video was less than the timer. Barely. Let me go ahead and reset the timer. Let's open the bag up and get building. Again, a bunch of pieces that want to roll around on me and be annoying. I'm going to set these over here with the hopes I don't need to get... Oh, I do need to get into one of them right now. Okay. Oy. Big piece there, big piece there, big piece here. That's another big piece. That's a big piece. Okay. Body parts. Don't roll off the table, please. Don't be. Okay. Can I get you to sit over here? You sit over here. You gotta lay down flat now. Okay. Legs. Let's go ahead and put the legs onto the torsos. Let's put one of the heads on. This is the Selina Kyle head. And I'm going to need to... Can you put over here? Yes, I can put those over there. Out of the way. Oy. Here is the, this is Gordon. This is Alfred. Okay, this is Mr. Alfred Pennyworth. He does not get the cute black hair. Selina Kyle gets the cute black hair. He gets the old man gray hair. Is his knife already in the bag here? Oh, there's Selina Kyle's helmet. That's neat. It's not there. Well, oh, here we go. Did I drop something? I did drop. I dropped an important something. Let me double check real quick. All right. So I see these are like two little billy cub things. I am not gonna take them off the ring. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it straight into it. Can I just? There's no reason why I shouldn't be able to. Come on. Wow, okay. Oh my goodness, there, geesh. Okay, so I'm going to try and keep the other one. Did you already? Oh my goodness, okay, fine, never mind. I like this. I'm going to hang on to this, and I'm going to try and use this as some type of greebling, and I'll glue it onto something else someplace else. Let me put that over there so I don't lose, hopefully I don't lose it. And I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, it's a walking stick. Come on. Wow. Half the video is going to be jamming that thing into your hand. Stick you over here now out of the way. Okay. So she's armed with a random chain. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick that on her hand right there. And, I can stand her up here. Don't knock the thing down. Yeah. Okay, so where are we? We are going crazy is what we're going. Okay, so this half is going to be... Oh, you get back over here. This starting point is going to be very similar to the other one. So I'm going to take this with the hinge piece. And, yeah. Do like that with the 1x1 square. And get another 1x1 square. Get this 1x4 with the holes through the side. And then we need those little peg clip things. Here's one right here. And the other one was like right next to it. Okay. Page, turn, wrap, round. Okay, so this is a lot clearer right there. Yeah. But still, take this with this, and there you are. Like so. And then grab one of these 1x1 squares, and then stick that on there. And take one of these like so. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down flat, and that 1x2 there goes right there, and here we go. We got this other 1x3 here. There we go. 1x2 gray with the 1x2 with the clip, and then another 1x2 gray, and then we get to use this big boy right here. And close that all together. Got one of these. Got, there we go. Couple of these. Put you over there. Here we go. And it's going to take... Wait. Okay. This has to go there. This has to go there. That there. This one goes over there. Then take the 1x1 gray. Then the 1x2 with the bar on it. And then that and that and that. Then I can go back to this thing here. Take it and go like this. And then clip that together. And they're going to want me to take this piece, put that there, and then this one here. Oh my goodness, it's as if I just built this a few moments ago. Yeah, you better lay down, old man. One of these 1x2s, and then these square flat pieces. I wouldn't mind using these to make like a band sound stage or something like that. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so I got this weird little 1x2, but it's rounded off with 2 holes in it. That's interesting. Ooh, but I know exactly what we're building right now, because this is your oxygen tank, and this is your accelerant tank. And then we're going to take another one of those caps. Here we go. Oh, get in the finger. Like this. And can I put that there? Yeah, put that there. And then hook this here. Now, it shows that you're supposed to twist it like this. I do not want to stress this little plastic thing here. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn this to the side. And you can see in the picture here, and the picture up here, that's clipped in there. I'm not going to do that. But this is a welding tank. That is cool. So we're going to stick that right there. Yeah. Page turn. Off. Oh my goodness. This looks painful. This is going to be painful. Okay. You need to stand up for this, because we're all going to need to see this. And you're not going to stand for me. Okay, cool. Alright, but you can see this right here, right? Okay, so let's get into it. I got this piece here, then a couple of these angled pieces. Oh, no, not that one. This is interesting. So, we've got this angled piece with the downward facing pegs, and then this angled piece with the upward facing pegs. And I'm sure doing something like that, or even this, could be really useful and interesting. But right now, we're just going to follow the instructions. And we're going to put little clippy pieces here. Right? Yes. And then we've got these 1x2s with the big old clips in here. Look at that. Where's there another one? This is a neat piece right here. 1x3 goes there. Another 1x2 goes there. And then they want me to use this little 1x1 square with the clip on it. So it's like the other one, but just thinner. That's cool. Let's turn this thing all the way around. And that goes meh. Oh, this is neat. All the clippy things go all along here. Oh my goodness. Then we get to go back. Do you want me to put anything on top? Oh yes, no, you do. You do want me to put this right there. And then this. And this. And then they're going to want that on top. This is his tool rack. Tool rack. I don't know why I said rack. Tool rack. Okay. So, okay, going to lay that down flat again. We've got the random chainsaw is going to go right there. And here, this goes on the back right there, but there's no sticker. So that must just really be there to hold everything in place. I'm going to wait on opening up the baggie of tools. But for right now, I can take this and flip that out. And we're going to peg that right there. And oh, okay. So, it might want me to put it, no, it's, okay, so it actually wants me to put it up a little bit higher, but I've got it down rested right against that little groove joint right there. Where were we? Okay, so we're gonna wait a moment. Yeah, okay, hold on. So I'm gonna, no, you get back over here. You stop rolling around on me. Curses. I'm gonna rest these two little pieces there. And we're gonna take this and put this over here. And I'm gonna just set this here for a moment. Okay? Okay. Because it's showing me in the instructions to go ahead and peg it on there, but we saw on the other one that I wanted to do some other stuff. Okay, then, okay, I need to move these guys, so I'm going to put Edward up here, and I'm going to put Commissioner Gordon over, yeah, okay. Here and here with the stonework, and then they want me to build ones like the other time, so I'm going to take the 1x1 little peg things and the little nipple things and these things. And I forgot this from earlier, so we're going to go ahead and put that on there now. And then I knocked over the welding tank again. Okay, so part of the problem is that the saw is kind of pulling it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we're going to rest that back there again. And then that's the page where they told me to build the thing. And then this, I'm pretty sure, is some type of like wine bottle display thing. So here is this thing with this thing, and then that's like a plate, and then this goes on there. And they want me to put this right there. We have an extra faceplate visor thing. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, and we're going to stick it right here on the Bruce Wayne. Okay, so it doesn't want to go on there because the little thing there. Can I? Forget it. We're done. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Stick it over there. I'll find something to use it on later. And we're going to go ahead and stick the helmet on top of the wine bottle. I know that's horribly unsanitary. And I will go ahead and... Come on. Hang on. All the tools. This is in no particular order. I'm not even looking at the instructions. I'm just sticking them on there. And we've got an open-ended wrench. We've got a closed wrench. We've got a socket and ratchet. We've got a monkey wrench. We've got a hammer. We've got a flathead screw. No Phillips head screwdriver, though. That's terrible. Okay. So this is the end of stage 5. It's a little tool rack thing. There's really nothing on the back here. We've got a welding tank. And I'm going to go ahead and peg it on here. And we're going to stick. No. Come on. Stick that there. Stick that there. And we have it completed. So, this has now been part 5 of Colwen Builds the Lego Batman. And, you know what? I'm going to end the video. Come back for the review and the final look through the last couple of pages of the instruction booklets. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.